being a product generalist used to be a flex, but in 2025, that might not be enough anymore. And with AI reshaping the game, the real question is, who's going to win the next era of product leadership? The agile generalist or the context-rich specialist? I'm Joni Hoadley, the product management coach, and I am here to share with you some really exciting insights based on a new report. But first, if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe and be sure to follow me. I share all kinds of tips for product managers to grow their careers and build better products. The 2025 CPO Insights Report is making waves. Over 1,000 chief product officers weighed in. The big headline, the rise of the super PM. These are generalists who move fast, span domains, and know how to use AI as a force multiplier. Here's where I want to slow down and ask a serious question. Is the generalist really the future of product management? Let's be real. The case for generalists sounds pretty solid. AI flattens the learning curve. Teams are leaner than ever, and roles are blurry between product design and engineering. In that world, sure, the adaptable generalist sounds like a no-brainer, but there's something missing in all of this hype. Let's talk about domain experts, because while generalists are fast, specialists understand what they're doing. And keep in mind, LLMs are only as good as the context you feed them. And in complex industries like healthcare or fintech, nuance isn't optional, it's everything. And customers, they trust people who clearly know their stuff. Without deep context, AI just gives you decent answers to potentially wrong questions, and that's a waste. So I'm not here to say that generalists are out or specialists are the only way. I think the smartest teams are going to be led by hybrid product managers, people who are able to integrate domain fluency with systems thinking. These are the PMs who can prompt AI like a pro because they understand what good looks like in their industry. They know what insights to trust and they know which ones to toss. So if you're a PM right now, here's what I'd suggest. First, generalist. Pick a domain and start going deep. Take half an hour every week just to learn more about your particular domain. This is not going to be a time waste, and you can use LLMs to further your knowledge, but I recommend going one step further and talking to your customers. That's how you go deeper on your domain expertise. If you're a specialist, the second category, don't ignore AI. It's time to start experimenting and getting curious and figuring out how you can use this to speed up and improve your decision making. And for everyone out there, get better at prompting, asking good questions, and interpreting what you're seeing. AI isn't going to replace you, but someone using it will. And if you're a leader at an organization, it's time to rethink your hiring and team structure. Look for cognitive diversity. Train for both context and flexibility. That's where the competitive edge is. So what do you think? Is your company leaning towards hiring more generalists, or are you doubling down on domain strength? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're leading a product org and trying to navigate this shift, let's talk. I help teams build product talent strategies that work in this new landscape. The link below to book a call with me is in the description.